Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn how to draw the trapezium and rhombus. Now trapezium, what is the property of trapezium? One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Here rhombus given diagonals. Before that we learnt how to draw with sides and one given angle. Now today we are going to learn how to draw if they given diagonals. First trapezium. Then in trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to CD. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Then AB parallel to CD. AB 8 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter, angle B 60. Now AB 8 centimeter, angle B 60 degree, BC 6 centimeter, then CD. Now here we don't know the C point. How to draw the CD? We can't. First of all, here first you check how many measurements given. Only 4 measurements given. Then we can't draw the quadrilateral with the 4 individual measurements. But we have to draw. If we want to draw the quadrilateral, we need 5 measurements. That means first we have to find out 5th measurement. See here, AB parallel to CD. What he given? AB parallel to CD. Then BC become transversal. BC transversal. BC become transversal. Now angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 because on the suppose 2 parallel lines, 1 transversal. This is AB, CD. Now here AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Angle B is equal to 60 given. Then how to find out C? Now both are interior angles. Then angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 because both the same side on the transversal, sum of 2 angles, same side of the transversal is 180. Then angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Now angle 60 plus angle C is equal to 180. Then angle C is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. Now we got another measurement, angle C. Now how to draw? AB, again 8 centimeter, 60, here one arc, 36 centimeter, angle C 120, here 120 degree, then CD how much? 4 centimeter, this is the D, 4 centimeter, then you can draw. Like this you will get these two are parallel. Now how to draw? First you have to draw AB 8 centimeter. Then angle B 60 degree. Angle B 60 degree. Then B to C you have to take with radius 6 centimeters. Center B with radius 6 centimeters. You draw one arc. That point that intersects the BY ray at C. Then BC 6 centimeter. Next angle B 120. Now you have to draw like this one ray, that is CX 120 degree. Now then CD 4 centimeter. Take C as center. 4 centimeter radius you draw one arc, that will be D point. Now join AD. This is the required trapezium. Now these two are parallel. AB and CD are parallel. Now 5 measurements we got it. AB 8 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter, angle B 60, angle C 120. Now like this you have to draw the trapezium. Now in a trapezium he given only 4 measurements and one clue given, AB parallel to CD. Now AB parallel to CD means BC will become transversal. Then angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 because interior angle on the same side of the transversal is 180. Now angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Then 60 plus angle C is equal to 180, angle C 120. Now we got 5 measurements. With that, how to draw? First AB 8 centimeter. Center B, you have to take B as center with radius for 6 centimeter. You have to draw one arc. It will intersect the BY ray at C. Then take C as center and draw one arc 4 centimeter. And at C, you have to draw one ray with a 120 degree angle. That will intersect the arc at one point, that is D. Join AD. Then you will get required trapezium. Next, rhombus. Construct a rhombus cut with CR 6 centimeter, AT 4 centimeter. Now, this is the rhombus. CART. Now, CR how much? This is 6 centimeter, 4.8 centimeter. Now, how to draw? First, before going to draw the rhombus, how to draw the perpendicular bisector? For one given line segment, how to draw the perpendicular bisector? Because what is the properties of rhombus? If in rhombus all sides are equal, diagonals will bisect each other perpendicularly. Diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. Means that angle is 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. Like that, both the diagonals will bisect each other perpendicularly, means 90 degree. First, we have to learn how to draw the perpendicular bisector. First, suppose 8 centimeter line segment, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Now, AB is the line segment 8 centimeter. Take compass and take more than half. It may be 5, it may be 6, 4.5 or 5.5, you wish. Then you have to take more than half radius and draw 2 arcs with the center A. With the center A, draw 2 arcs on either side of the line segment. Take A as a center, more than half radius. More than half radius, you have to take more than half radius, draw 2 arcs on either side of the line segment. Next, take B as center with the same radius, draw 2 arcs which cuts the previous arcs at 2 points. C, D. Now, join those two. Now, O is the COD is the perpendicular line to AB. That means here perpendicular line means what? The angles must be 90. All 90. Now how to draw the perpendicular bisector? First you have to draw the one line segment, given line segment. Then take more than half. Suppose 6 means more than 3. 10 means more than 5. 4 means more than 2. You have to take some radius more than half and with the center A, draw 2 arcs on either side of the line segment. Means up one arc, down also one arc. Next, take B as center with the same radius, draw on either side of the line segments 2 arcs which intersects the previous arcs at 2 points. Those are CD. Those intersect 2 points. Those are CD. Then COD is the perpendicular bisector to AB. Now at point, that intersection point O, then at O all the angles are 90, 90, 90. 4 angles will form, those 4 are become 90. Each angle is 90 degree. That is the perpendicular bisector. Here also when we will draw when they will give the diagonals, we have to draw the first perpendicular bisectors. Now CR 6 centimeter. First we have to draw CR 6 centimeter. CR 6 centimeter. Then how much radius we have to take? More than half, means more than 3 centimeter. Now take C as center. Draw more than 3 centimeter radius on either side of the arc. Same as with same radius, take R as center and draw two arcs which intersects the previous arcs at one point XY. Then intersection point is O. Then XOY is perpendicular bisector to CR. Now what is the AT? How much given? 4.8. Then take O as center. Now AT is equal to 4.5 centimeter. It is here diagonals bisect. Bisect means two equal parts. Now what is the second diagonal? 4.8. Then each part how much you will get? Suppose this is A. OT is equal to OA. OT is equal to OA. Because that diagonals bisect each other. Bisect means exact two equal parts. Now OT is equal to OA. Now OT plus OA is equal to 4.8. Then 2 OT instead of OT, what we can write? OA. OA plus OA is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Then 2 OA is equal to 4.8 centimeter. OA is equal to 4.8 by 2 is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Then OA is equal to OT is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Now take O as center with radius 2.4 centimeter. Draw an arc on OX. Then that will become T. Take O as center and draw 2.4 centimeter radius on OA. It will intersect one point, that is OY, that is A. That intersection point is A. Now we got CART. All points we got. Now you will have to join. Then how can you know that this rhombus is equal or correct or wrong? Then if you, after drawing the rhombus, you have to measure CA, AR, RT and CT. You will get same measurement because all sides in a rhombus is equal. They are equal. Now, suppose if you are getting different line segments, then that is not a rhombus. You have to get compulsory 4 sides equal length. Then only you will get the your construction is correct. Now how to draw a rhombus with given diagonals? Then first you have to draw one diagonal. Any diagonal you can take. I took CR as a base and for CR 6 centimeter. Then we know one point, one property, diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. Means diagonal will bisect means two equal parts. The diagonal will divide into two equal parts perpendicularly. Means angle will form that there 90 degree. Now AT is equal to 4.8. Now AT and OA are equal because these diagonals will bisect. Bisect means two equal parts. This is equal to this. These two are equal. Now OA plus OT is equal to 4.8. Instead of OA, what we can write? OT, because OA, OT are equal. Now OA plus OA 4.8, OA is equal to 2.4. Then OA, OT 2.4 centimeter. Now first we have to draw CR 6 centimeter and perpendicular bisector. How to draw perpendicular bisector? You have to take more than of radius. Suppose here how much CR 6, then that means above 3 centimeter you have to take and less than 6 centimeter. Then take CR center, on either side you have to draw the arcs. Next, with the arc also you have to take same radius, you have to draw on either side of the arcs which cuts the previous arcs at XY. Now OXY is a perpendicular bisector, that will become a AT line. Now AT diagonal. Now both will intersect at O. Now OT how much? 2.4. Then take O as center and with radius 2.4 centimeter, draw two arcs on either side of the line segment CR which